Hi all, this is MacDoc. Under this session, we're going to discuss about the lesson straight line that comes with coordinate geometry. Here, we discuss about the way of getting straight line equations with given data. First of all, let's see what is a straight line. The meaning of straight line is the variable point. Consider a variable point P, let's say x comma y, which varies along a line, make a straight line. So when we consider the straight line, to define the straight line, we can get many data. Consider here x-axis, here y-axis. When you consider the inclination with the positive direction of the x-axis, we say tan theta is the gradient. We denote by m, gradient. And here we call y-intercept. Generally we say c. And here this point we say x-intercept. Let's say a. Those are the given data. So as according to the given data, we can create the equation of the straight line. Here, first one, slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Here consider the given slope is m, the given intercept is c. So when we sketch this one, here x-axis, here y-axis, here the straight line, y-intercept given, it is c, the gradient also given at this angle theta. Then consider m is the gradient. You take general point P somewhere here, say x bar comma y bar. Then this gradient we can write m equal y bar minus c over x bar minus 0. Here gradient mean y difference over x difference, y bar minus c over x bar minus 0. This is gradient. So when you simplify this, mx bar equal y bar minus c, finally we obtain y bar equal mx bar plus c. Then take x bar as x, y bar as y. Then the equation of the line we say y equal mx plus c. Mx plus c. Here the given data, intercept and the gradient. Intercept, y-intercept, m is the gradient. We generally say slope. That's how we get first relation. And consider second one, point slope form. Point slope form. Here, let's say a point given, point on the straight line given, say a comma b, and slope of the line also given, it is same. Here x-axis, here y-axis. Consider a point somewhere here, a comma b, and its gradient given as m. Therefore, you take general point P, say x bar comma y bar. Then the gradient m we can write y difference over x difference. Then y bar minus b over x bar minus a. Now cross multiply. Then y bar minus b equal to m times x bar minus a. Now take x bar as x, y bar as y. Then y minus b equal m times x minus a. Here the equation of the line. Here the given data, point on the line a comma b, and slope of the line simple m. Likewise we can obtain second relation. Now consider third relation, intercept form. Here x-axis, y-axis, x-intercept given as a, y-intercept given as b. Only x-intercept a and y-intercept b. Then you take point P somewhere here, x bar comma y bar, it is a general point. Therefore, when we consider b over a ratio, same ratio we can write y bar over here a minus x bar. Now simplify. ab minus bx bar equal a y bar. Then bx bar plus ay bar equal ab. Take bx bar the other side. Now divide each term by AB. Then bx bar over AB, ay bar over AB equal AB over AB, and similarly take x bar as x, y bar as y. Then we get the relation x over a plus y over b equals 1. Here third relation, which call intercept form. Here the given data x-intercept and y-intercept. That's how we create the equation of the line. Let's move further. Now consider fourth one, 2-point form. 2-point form. Here 2 points given. Take here x1, y1. Take here x2, y2. Those 2 points given, A and B. Now take general point P somewhere here, say x bar, y bar. Then if these 2 points are given, we can get gradient using that. Gradient means y difference over x difference. Then write y2 minus x2 over y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equal, now take with this y bar minus y1 over x bar minus x1. Now cross multiply, y bar minus yy equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 times x bar minus x1. Now take x bar as x, y bar as y, then y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. That is 2-point form. Only 2 points given. Then this also like Poinslow form. Now consider fifth relation. Fifth relation we call parametric form. Parametric form. Here consider a point given a comma b, and the inclination with the positive direction of the x-axis is theta. Take here point P, x bar, y bar. Then tan theta we write y bar minus b over x bar minus a. Now here sin theta over cos theta, y bar minus b over x bar minus a. Now cross multiply this, x bar minus a over cos theta, y bar minus b over sin theta. Now we have separated x coordinate and y coordinates. Now you put a parameter t, we call this one as a parameter. Then when you get these two only, then x bar minus a equal t cos t theta. Then when you get these two, y bar minus b equal t sin theta. Now this point P we can write x bar comma y bar, then x bar mean t cos theta plus a comma t sin theta plus b. So we call this one the parametric form of a straight line. Here the coordinate x bar and y bar has written with the variable t. That is the only variable t. We call that one as the parameter. Now let's move further. Now you consider sixth one, we call normal form. Normal form. Consider here x-axis and y-axis. You consider a straight line like this. Then here the given data, this perpendicular distance as p, and this angle with the positive direction of the x-axis anticlockwise sense is theta. Those are the given data. You take point somewhere here x bar comma y bar. So now you construct this triangle. Here theta, here 90 minus theta, here theta, this one theta. This coordinate x bar. Now with this angle theta, write tan theta. Tan theta equal here this length x bar minus here this length p cos theta, then x bar minus p cos theta over here this length here y bar, here p cos theta, then p cos theta minus y bar, p cos theta minus y bar. Now here sin theta or cos theta, x bar minus p cos theta, here p sin theta, no? P sin theta, p sin theta minus y bar, now cross multiply, p sin square theta minus y bar sin theta equal x bar cos theta, p cos square theta. Now take x bar y bar terms together, x bar cos theta, y bar sin theta equal p, here sin square plus cos square, here this term put the other side, sin square theta plus cos square theta, and that will be 1. And similar take x bar as x, y bar as y, then x cos theta plus y sin theta equal p. Here we call the normal form. The given data is the perpendicular distance from the origin to the line is p, and the perpendicular made with the angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis, anti-clockwise sense. So when you consider those 6 relations, we can see all these equations are in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. Ax plus by plus c equals 0. That means x to the power 1, y to the power 1, and no xy terms. We call this one general form. General form of a straight line. So those are things about the way of getting equation of the straight lines. Next video we will discuss the relation between straight line and a point. Thank you for watching us and talk.